Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Muhammad Luqman and I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering SVCE and I am pursuing degree in Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence. And today my subject for a video assignment is Engineering Mathematics and my topic is Joint Probability Distribution. Let's start. Let's start with introduction. In this topic, let's discuss about its objective and its purpose. In objective, understand how joint probability distribution works for two or more random variables. And in purpose, explore how joint distribution are applied in real life problems, especially in engineering mathematics. Let's start. What is joint probability distribution? Definition. A joint probability distribution is the probability distribution that represents the likelihood of two or more random variables occurring simultaneously. Mathematical representation. For two discrete random variables x and y, the joint probability is this formula. For continuous random variables, the joint probability is represented by a joint probability density function. This is its formula. Okay, let's proceed to next topic. Next page. Key concepts in joint probability distribution. Marginal probability. The probability of a single random variable occurring regardless for the other. For example, this is its formula for discrete variables. Okay, next. Conditional probability. The probability of one random variable occurring given that other has already occurred. And this is its formula. For example, okay. And independence. Two random variables are independent if this is its formula. For this is the example. Okay, next proceed. Joint probability distribution for discrete variables. For example, discrete variables. Let's discuss about discrete variables. Consider two random variables and random variables as xxx and yyyy, where xxx represents the number of heads in two coin flips and y represents the number of tails in two coin flips. X by y, 0 tails, 1 tail, 2 tails, 0 heads, 0.25, 0.25, 0, 2 heads, 0, 0.25, 0.25, head 0.25, 0.25, 0. Okay, joint probability distribution is shown in the table. This is its table. Okay, let's proceed. Example calculation. This is its formula for the calculation of this given table. Okay, no such outcome is in coin flips. Okay, next, continue, proceed. Joint probability distribution for continuous variables. Let's define it. Suppose x and y represent the height in centimeter and weight in kg for a group of people. The joint probability density function f x into y, x y, f x in y, and f x and y might look like this. This is its formula in mathematical order. For certain values of x and y, this joint probability for a range of values and is calculated as this is its values. Okay, let's proceed. Example problem. Joint probability discrete variables. This is its example as is shown here. Okay, problem. Consider the following probabilities. Joint probability table for two random variables x, scores on two exams, and y, hours for study. X by y, 0 hours, 1 hour, 2 hour, 50, 0.1, 0.2, 0.1, 60, 0.1, 0.2, 0.1, 70, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Solution: finding marginal probability for x is equal to 60. This is its solution. Is question, and this is its solution. Finding conditional probability p into x is equal to 60 into y is equal to 1. This is its formula. Okay, let's proceed to the next slide. Real life applications in engineering mathematics. Applications in reliability engineering. Joint probability in system reliability. In a system of two components with random failures times Ti and T2 T2 T2T to T2, the joint probability distribution can model the probability of both components falling within a certain period. Example: if T1 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 or and T2 T underscore 2 T2 represents the lifetimes of two components, then the joint distribution can help calculate the probability of system failures given specific operational conditions. Okay, signal processing. In signal processing, joint probability distribution are used to model noise in communication systems where multiple noise sources influence the overall signal. Okay, proceed next slide. And this is application in engineering fields. Control system. Joint probability distribution are used to model uncertainties in sensor readings and process variables, allowing engineers to design reversed controllers. Structural engineering used to assess the likelihood of failure in a system under random loads. Example: wind or earthquake forces on buildings, considering multiple random variables simultaneously. Okay, proceed to next slide. Key points and summary. This is the last page about indicating summary. Joint probability distribution. Joint probabilities key points are: helps model likelihood of multiple random variables occurring simultaneously. Marginal and conditional probability are key concepts in understanding joint distributions. Real life applications used in engineering field like reliability analysis, signal processing, and control systems to deal with uncertainties. So this was the topic I explained about joint probability distribution. So guys, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.